Mr. Organic, the pure one. Goats. Believe in yourself like you believe in God. That's why
Have no fear. Mr. Organic is here, and I'm good. Eddie Murphy, when he had that song Party all the time, that was a legendary song. Google that, Eddie Murphy Party all the time. One of my favorite songs all the time. Shout out to everybody in the Organic Nation. Keep your head on the swivel, man. The nigga Slim be high and doing all that goofy shit. We gotta watch out for that nigga. Shout out to everybody in the G-Spot. Of course, God damn it, fire going on. And everybody in the car go to the gang, the gang, the gang, gang, go to the gang, go to the gang, the gang. Boom, boy. Organic. Let me start up Serena real quick. Keep it cordial. What's up, man? Serena waking now. Start up, man. Yeah. Pop the trunk on this. Grab that. Shut this up. Slim at his McLaren, swipe. Oh yeah, and the doors go open. You know what I'm saying?
Everything count.
Yeah, everything count, brother. Let me slide up this way, man, give you some space. Cause I want to see that dough go up. Let me see that motherfucking dough go up, man.
She likes the creamy too.
Ooh, wee. Look at that thing there, that thing open, huh? Yeah. That thing been waiting. Yeah, man. Let's go back. That's great. Doing like that, man. Ain't talking about cartoons. Look at that guy, dude. If we ain't living the most organic life in this year life, I don't know what to tell you, man. Here you go, God. Right to the top off, and then she ain't need. This shit robotic though. Mine manual. The bitches come on. You understand me? The bitches is coming on, baby. And they off. So we make okay, baby. Try to let them moves out. I'm saying, baby. Right, man. Make a power move, man, with the juice, man. 3 up swipe. On the feet. Come on, man. BigForgiato.com, man. Yeah. Yeah, you see my man Monopoly Man right there. Monopoly Man right there. We putting in shots at Forgiato. Bless my dog Slim with the most tropical flavor, man. We ain't playing. Yeah. Putting in the most organic way, too. Doubled up on the grapes and tight. Yeah, I ain't never seen it. Gotta make sure they do though. Yeah, my man. Yeah, oh, that's like crazy. Look at them big long motherfuckers on the porch notes. That's crazy. Ain't nothing normal right there. Something legendary. I ain't never seen it with the green. I seen it with the orange. It's stupid. So let's get some understanding, man. We just hopped out the car not really understanding what was next to us.
Yeah.
So these are the Vlone rims. Y'all probably seen them in orange. They came out like last year, almost 2 years now. The most exclusive, some of the most exclusive, expensive rims in the world. These 25,000 retail. This is the first edition of this color. They're premiering on Saturday at SNAPCAHT. So nobody even got these yet. So it's supposed to be a big old thing. We're going to SNAPCAHT too, so we can see the whole setup. But this is legendary because they just put them on just now too. Like soon we pulled up, they just put them on, so no one see this. So this is an exclusive release of the Vlone, looks like a neon green. Might have been inspired by the guy, putting them neons out there. Now everybody want to do neon, it's cool, brother. You know what I'm saying? But Forgiato is an innovator, so I ain't gonna do them like that. But yeah, these remember, come on, man. Look at it, Vlone, man. These motherfuckers, who got these yet? Nobody. Nobody got them yet, brother. It's the first car, first ones in the world. You got the Vlones? God damn, you gonna put the blue on the type where the V at? God, this is super exclusive, man, so stay tuned for all of that. And right here is Alex Monopoly. You know what I'm saying? I need to pull my car right there and get a good picture right here. Oh, yeah, I know, brother. I'm trying to say that for your video. Put my shit up. You know what I'm saying? They gonna see on yours, brother. You know what I'm saying? But listen, though. Big Alex Monopoly, big bag. Look at that, man. Come on, champ. You want a bag like that? Alex Monopoly. Y'all probably know about him, man. Y'all know him on Instagram. He always covering up his face like Raven stereotype. You know what I'm saying? Big time. He from San Diego too. Shout out to 619, man. So this is where we have Forgiato Slim doing something super legendary. And yeah, cut your neck with his foot and goddamn butterfly. You know what I'm saying? All that. So, but yeah, we here to reinvent goddamn Slim rims. He did a little change the rule on them. So y'all gonna hear about that shortly, man. Stay tuned. Alert.com. 3 of them. Big Forgiato truck. Oh, he threw the shades on quick. He's damn right. Oh shit, the goddamn blaze is still on top. Oh yeah, Forgiato Cam. Oh yeah, Terminator 7. Left him hanging a little bit. We can play it off though. You want to shout out anything, man?
Oh man, I just want to say shout out to Big Forgiato, you know.
Big Forgiato.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Making people happy with the wheels.
Oh yeah, the best wheels on earth,
I ain't
man.
gonna lie, I couldn't be more happy. You wanna look like a happy man, brother?
Let me look at him.
You wanna look at it with the Invisalign?
Damn.
Several kinds in my mouth. Have a good one, man.
All right, champ. Appreciate you. No problem. You welcome. We out of here, man. Look at the Forgies on the move, man. Damn. Them bitches crazy. Get up in the whip, man. Don't know, now you know. My interior is red, man. Marinara sauce. Cause I'm the boss. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never take a loss. I just got a left. God, man, that boy theatrical with the talk, man. But hey, man, shout out to my dog Slim getting them 40s. Oh, shout out to those Vlone rims, exclusive, super exclusive. Nobody see them in the world. Y'all welcome. My first one to show y'all. You know what I'm saying? Remember that. Keep it pure, keep it positive. All y'all, if anybody going to SNAPCAHT, me and Slim gonna be there. So look out for us, man, at SNAPCAHT. We definitely gonna look for all the interactions, man, so everybody wanna see us and talk to us and do all that. Y'all be able to see us in person, man. All right, we ain't got no booth or nothing, we're just gonna be there chilling, man. So this is your opportunity to meet us and see us, man. We're gonna be walking around. I ain't giving you no particular time. Let's come there and just be cool, man. What's up?
What I'm thinking is we're gonna go over to, we got that stuff in Dodge.
Right.
And we gotta go to, what else did I say? We were going somewhere else, I mentioned it earlier.
Platinum.
Platinum, there you go. Wide body.
Yeah, you going to Platinum right now?
Huh?
Going to Platinum now?
Yep.
All right, so boom, we're gonna heading over to Platinum, man. Probably be a different video, man. Hey, let's just talk for a second, dogs. Let's get some understanding. Me and my dog Slim, we live in Los Angeles, California, doing us for a living. You know what I'm saying? We in a McLaren with a full $50,000, you know, body kit on it right there in front of me, dog. We was working at 43 hoops. You know what I'm saying? Training kids and all that, which was dope, which was cool. You know what I'm saying? But now we just in LA living our life because we believe in ourselves and work hard. You can do it too. Look at this right here, man. 2 young, black, successful men living their life in its purest form, doing nothing illegal, just being happy and positive at the same time, you know, and being ourselves. Nothing extra. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, type take it off on me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Go toe to toe this joint. But look at that, man. So when y'all see us, man, make sure take away from what we do. We're working hard, we believe in ourselves. We're doing it our way. Yeah. did it our way, but we invested in ourselves. We didn't ask for no handouts. We get up every morning and work hard, put this shit up. Work hard to give y'all our organic sales. So using the motivation, y'all can do it too. Please remember that, man. You can do it too. Whatever your dreams is, activate your dreams. Wake up and bring your dreams to life. Wake your dreams up and get activated, man. It's the organic lifestyle that I live and you should too. That's my dog Slim right there, man. Tall guy car views. You know what I mean? One of the ones for sure, man. You see it on the chain. We're doing it in its purest form. So I appreciate you guys more than you know. We're gonna continue to go and grow. I'm Mr. Organic. That's Tall Guy Car Views. We're living our life. Los Angeles, California, baby. Shout out to LA, shout out to California. You know I'm in San Diego, I'm a Dago, baby. Living this California lifestyle, man. So shout out to everybody out here that's embracing us. And we appreciate y'all more than y'all know, man. Y'all made our dreams come true, so we want to help you guys in doing the same. So let's take from what we do, man. Please, live your life the organic way. SRTF, seed root tree fruit. Seed root tree fruit, keep it organic for the seed, baby. Oh yeah. I got something special for y'all too. My CBD beard kit is here now. So y'all want to cut to that before the outro. Look at this beard kit. It got the brush, it got the beard cream, it's all CBD, so it helps the follicle. Look at that. I need to get my beard re-dyed too. Anybody in Los Angeles area, hit me up. You know a beach I can dye the beach near, man, or a beautiful lady. I don't mean to call it beach. Yeah, on the water. I'm out here, man. 3 of them to God. Yeah.